Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Linder here. It is Tuesday, June 2nd. So, our science topic today is describing sound. So, the first thing you're going to do if you're watching this is you're going to watch these two video links right here. It talks about sound. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to sit by your window in your home. You're going to close your eyes and listen to the sounds you hear. After about 2 minutes, you can open your eyes and make a list of sounds you heard. So you're going to make a chart just like this. Which ones were human made? So like you heard a car horn. Which ones were nature made? Maybe you heard the wind. So you're going to think about whether they were human made or nature made. So here's an example here, a car motor or leaves falling again. You're going to write them down on this chart. And then also you are going to go to this form right here. All you do is click the link and it brings you into a Google form. So you're going to write your first and last name, make sure it's your first and last name, and you're going to answer these questions. What is sound? What is an example of a nature-made sound? What is an example of a man-made sound? And then what sounds did you hear when you listened at your home? So you can just write a couple in there and then just press submit. And that's all for that Google form. And then make sure you are sending a picture of this to your teacher and make sure you are filling out this form. And if you have any questions, be sure to reach out to any of us and we'll see you next time.